Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Central Pennsylvania, East Central York County in South Central Pennsylvania, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms will move along the line extending from Mount Georgia to West Pennsylvania. The severe thunderstorm warning is issued from severe thunderstorm warning in Central Pennsylvania. Central York County in South Central Pennsylvania, until 1:47 p.m. Severe thunderstorms will move severe thunderstorms will locate along the line extending from near Mount George to near Windsor, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard 15 miles per hour. Expect wind damage to roof. Locations of entry include Lancaster, Columbia, Livingston, Millersville, Willow Street, Mount Joy, Leola, Lennoxville, Rossville, Strasburg, Moundsville, Marysville, Yorktown, and This includes Pennsylvania 73 to 278. For your protection, move to an interior room on the roof floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, Lancaster and York.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for
Lancaster County and Lebanon County, effective
until 3:13 p.m.
Myerstown, Newmanstown, Lebanon South, Avon, Richland, Schaeferstown, Quinton, Mount Gretna Heights, Kleinfelsersville, Penryn, Mount Gretna, and Avon Heights. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 265 to 273. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and Lebanon. The National Weather Service severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millersville, moving east at 20. The National Weather Service has acknowledged hazard. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millersville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Source, radar indicating. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of impacted include Lancaster, Ephrata, Millersville, Willis, Pennsylvania. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. This storm may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning.
15 p.m. for the following.
Lancaster, Pennsylvania. 2:13 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Cornwall, moving northeast at 35 miles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lawrence County and eastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Minor damage to trees were also reported with this storm in Lebanon County. Sighting, please. Some power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Cameron, Walford, Burnville, and Stroudstown. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. This weather. At 2, Pennsylvania. At 2:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pine Grove, moving north at severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pine Grove, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Damage to roofs, citing 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail include Pottsville, Minersville, St. Clair. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pottsville, Schuylkill Haven, Minersville, St. Clair, Owens, Lake Winona, and Crescent. Fort Carmen. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 113 to 120. Lansdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building in Crescent. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding to 120. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. To an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Storm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Pennsylvania. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, southeast, mostly South Central Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, and quarter-size hail. 2:55 p.m. up to Libra. Moving hazard 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source. Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cornville, Delta, Smithville, Sheriff Ferry, Coltwood, Sunnyburn, Safe Harbor. Lancaster and York. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 2:33 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Pine Grove, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts in Pennsylvania, north central Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fredericksburg, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. 60 miles
is a severe thunderstorm warning for Lebanon County and Schuylkill County, effective until 3:45.
This includes the following interstates. Interstate 70 from mile markers 1 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile markers 90 to 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lebanon and Schuylkill. Flash flood watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Specifically from mile markers 100 to 124. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 101 to 110. For your protection, move to building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Storm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Cambria, Clearfield, and Somerset. The National Southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northampton or near Allentown, moving northeast at 30 miles per second. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Emmaus, Northampton, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Slaterton, Penn Argo, Wind Gap, Bath, Walnutport, Chatham, East Bangor, Steuben, Ness, Coffeetown, This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 56 and 74, in between mile markers 76 and 78. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 53 and 61. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:40%. Monday night, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carmen, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. Montgomery. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Smithville, northeast at 15 miles. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in South Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Located over Smithfield, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is affected Georgetown, Gordon Hill, Bergen Hills, and trees. Locations and towers include Lancaster, Willow, torrential rainfall is occurring in Clearfield, Lincoln County, Clearville, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania. central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Allensville to near Rockhill Furnace. Moving north at 30 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Woodward, Mount Union, Burnham, Belleville, Milroy, Highland Park, Honey Grove, Yeagertown, Millheim, Spruce Creek, Strodes Mills, Reedsville, Aaronsburg, Julietta Terrace, Allensville, Mexico, Coburn, East Waterford, and Alpharetta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Center, Huntington, Julietta, and Mifflin. Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located lows in the mid-60s. Wednesday, mostly moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Wednesday night. Source, radar indicated. Impact, lower siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sunbury, Milton, Lewisburg, Sealands Grove, Northumberland, Mifflinburg, Winfield, Watsontown, Shamokin Dam, Lintown, Hummels Wharf, Middleburg, New Columbia, McAllisterville, McClure, Montanan, Creamer, Port Trevorton, Penns Creek, and Beaver Springs. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Jersey Shore and Danville exits, specifically for mile markers 196 to 216. This includes Interstate 180 for mile markers 1 to 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Julietta, Mifflin, Northumberland, Snyder, and Union. A severe thunderstorm. A tornado was located over Sand Brook, or 17 miles west of Somerville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Flemington and Sandbrook. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Hunterdon, New Jersey. The following Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Owena, or 14 miles southeast of Easton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Durham, Bedminster, Washington, Tinicum, High Bridge, Clinton, Alpha, Glen Gardner, Ferndale, Hampton, Fronttown, Milford, Bloomsbury, Regalsville, Pleasant Valley, Revere, Ottsville, Pipersville, Rowena, and Annandale. This includes Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Warren and Bucks, Pennsylvania. At 5, Western Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, Eastern Fulton County in South Central Pennsylvania, Southwestern Perry County in South Central
A flash flood warning has been issued for Adams County, Cumberland County, Franklin County. Effective until 8:12 p.m.
Possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Chambersburg, Waynesboro, Shippensburg, Greencastle, Guilford, St. Thomas, Carroll Valley, Fayetteville, Wayne Heights, Mount Union, Mont Alto, Mercersburg, Scotland, Newville, McConnellsburg, Harrisonville, Rouserville, Marion, Fort Loudon, and Big Cove Tanneries. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most the National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Dauphin County. State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania, central Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Union County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Sullivan County in north central Pennsylvania, eastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Milton to near New Buffalo to near Newville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Sunbury, Shamokin, Milton, Lewisburg, Sealands Grove, Danville, Northumberland, Coltmont, Plainfield, Slusser, Winfield, Millersburg, Marysville, Muncie, Watsontown, Healdsburg, Fairview and Ferndale, Huntsville and Riverside. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Mile Run and Berwick Lime Ridge exits, specifically for mile markers 208 to 237. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 213 to 220, Interstate 180 for mile markers 1 to 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roads. State College has issued a flash flood warning for Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, western Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder, Pennsylvania, northern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Harrisburg, Williamsport, Lebanon, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Bloomsburg, Hershey, Colonial Park, Berwick, Sunbury, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Shamokin, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Milton, Windletown, and Enola. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Juniata, Lebanon, Lycoming, Montour, Northumberland, Perry, Schuylkill, Snyder, Sullivan, and Union. Southeastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms will located along a line extending from near Gettysburg. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gettysburg to 6 miles south of 45 miles northward. For your protection, move to an interior.